So we know it's been a long time. Believe me, we are trying to send out all of the new reaction videos we can give you, pending concussion.
Pending concussion.
So next we're gonna do BtoB, BtoB. And I want to start off with something first. Okay, I am a very active member in the Tumblr community. Okay.
Yes, she is.
And I just want to bring this up to people that that be drinking that haterade real thirsty like, okay, and they be hiding behind anonymous, okay. So not too long ago,
keyboard warriors,
the Tumblr pages, one of the Tumblr people of the BtoB page posted something that someone had said something about, I don't understand why Changseop is in the group. He's not even, you know, good looking, attractive, or whatever. So I came to the rescue because I am a Changseop fan. Okay, I put him in the same category as my Yuchon. I love them both. Okay, they're both skinny looking weirdos, and I just love them. I just love them so much. Okay, and I pretty much said, you know what? These people, they hating. Why do they even waste their time worrying about something they don't care about? If you don't like Changseop, don't look at them. You got a slew of other members to worry about, right? So then this pretty sure the same anonymous chicken person said, you would think Changseop is cute because you ugly too. Well, I'm glad you took the time to not only look at my comment, take a look at my page and look at my picture. You know, I'm so happy you wasted your New Year's worrying about this ugly old thing right here. Okay? So, if you're watching, and look, guess what? Changseop is still in the group. Looking just, sexy as ever. And that is why we're gonna start this video.
But oh,
get your leg out the window. Monkey butt?
Monkey
Oh, look at her. Yeah, traffic. Ilhoon, looking so cute. Yeah.
adorable.
What kind of car is that? It's like a semi car.
He's so cute.
Are they mechanics?
Uncle.
Little take on.
I was calling him Uncle.
Look at him. That's so.
So.
You hear that?
Street.
Oh, okay.
His head seems very large.
Road rage. It's unhealthy.
Very important.
Okay. I'm
Why are you so
I
mad?
know. Why so angry? Calm down. Oh, the same girl.
Open up the door. Open up the door.
And they dressed alike.
Who do you open up the door for?
I'm gonna open the door either. Y'all both look crazy outside my door.
Oh. Suddenly they were girls. More than one girl though.
I know, it is what it was.
Hey.
But are they love interests?
Sorry, what? I'm sorry, what? I'm sorry, what? I was watching that other video. What video is this? Y'all look good though.
Overly destroyed. Because you know, cars and women make for a good party.
Oh yeah?
Oh, I want a little car. Got that new car. a little Audi too.
That pace. God. Look at all the short shorts.
Go ahead, baby.
Do your dance. Wait a minute. Did he just pull a raid? Was he doing his little? Was he a sexy 30 sexy? I swear I saw James did 30 sexy. He was like,
Y'all parking too long.
tow the car.
Just a ticket.
Ding, ding, bang, bang. Where to begin? Where to begin?
Oh, they're so cute.
They're so they are. They're so cute.
I want a little car.
They're so cute. Oh, the cars are cute?
Well, look, them too.
Oh.
No,
Cars
I meant them. They're cute, and then I want a little car as well.
That'd be fun. Oh, a drag racing one.
They're adorable.
I don't think they do that, but
You guys don't need to be behind the wheel of a car.
No.
You cause traffic,
Yeah.
then you cause road rage,
Yeah.
and then you do random acts of dancing in the middle of the road, and then you get tickets, and you get angry about it, and you wonder why you got a ticket.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
And you wonder why we always tell men, just ask for directions.
This video.
This video right here.
I don't even know what to, I don't even know what how to it's so random though.
It's extremely random.
It's
like,
fun.
It's like at one point they're like
everything. And then you have a breakdown in which
it's a reversal breakdown.
a piano.
It's a reversal breakdown. It
So
goes from being up
calm.
here to like.
It's like I'm expecting them to start singing that
And then-
song they have. Don't they have the father song or something?
Oh,
It's
I'm
really
legit.
sad.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm expecting them to start singing something like that. And then it goes back to
This is a very
to a party.
random video. See that I probably wouldn't understand if I had still been in my earlier state. I get it now. Well, not really. It's an interesting video. It's BtoB.
They're
Do I
cute.
really have to explain much?
They're cute.
I don't think so.
They're cute.
They're so cute.
I don't know what to say about
Did you
it.
see Changsa?
You starting wars. You gotta start a war here.
What? With haters?
Gotta have a war.
Yeah, if they want to spend their time worrying about me and my opinion and not worry about things that they like, they need to figure out something.
Yeah.
I really try
Get
not to
your
waste
life.
time. Yeah, let me get mine. And you know how I get mine?
your
Staring
life.
at Chanso, looking just good with his Ramyun hair, Looking just beautiful. But yeah, I will. This goes on the music player.
It does. This is that video you can watch with just
And you'll never get it.
you'll
still.
never get it, but it's okay. It'll make you smile.
But it's like, are they mechanics at one point? Women, they've understood it. Women and cars. I'm surprised they wasn't
car
doing like
hubs.
drag racing and like doing donuts in the little cars.
Right? I was
That's-
expecting that.
I expecting a whole
Y'all could have been
like
doing
a block
donuts
party,
and
then they could have had like police officers come in and try to break things up. I was
and trying to smack them upside and then arrest them and then put them in jail and then have a jail party. No? No? No. It's just me? Oh, okay.
And whatever girl who door you was knocking on, y'all know why she didn't answer the door, right? I'd be freaked out too. I'm just saying.
I would too.
But I like
Two
the
crazy
video.
people on my door.
I'm
Get off my
glad.
stoop.
My stoop.
Get off my stoop.
I just think a stoop kid from Hey Arnold. That's old.
That's old.
I feel old.
That's
None of that.
classic.
None of that. Classic.
It's classic.
Classic.
It's classic.
But with that being said, we will see you in the tomorrow.
This is tomorrow.
Comment,
so comments. Tell us what you think of this video. Who's your favorite? Mine is Sonjay. Yours is chunks up.
Mm-hmm.
Who's your favorite? Tell us your favorite.
Dirashi.
And why? Ooh. Comment. Bye.